All right, guys, we're going to call Tesla, see if they can help us out. What we're trying to do here is add a key card. I've got these key cards right here, and we're going to see it.
For contacting Tesla, this is Kimmy. How can I help you?
Hey there, good afternoon. I'm trying to add a key card to my my vehicle. My wallet was lost about a week ago, and my new cards came in. So I have my card here, and I'm trying to add it to the car.
Do you have an old key card? You lost the other one? Right?
Yeah, that's correct. Both of them did.
You lost both of them?
They were both in my wallet, yep, and the wallet was gone.
Okay. So the only way to add the key card then at this point is to take it to the service center or to do a mobile appointment.
Oh, really? Wow.
In order to add a key, you have to have one key card.
Okay.
That's already programmed to the car in order to add anything additional.
Okay. So in the event that, like, for instance, my phone gets unpaired from the car, the only thing I can really do to get the car started is maybe click the start driving and unlock it from the mobile app then, because in case the phone Bluetooth key gets disconnected. Is that?
Yeah. So
okay.
Right now your phone as a key is working.
Yes. Yeah, so everything's working.
How far away are you from a service center?
Over an hour and a half. I live in Daytona, and then they're in Eatonville, so.
Okay. So what I would do, honestly, is schedule a mobile appointment.
Okay.
If you can get into the app, self-schedule a mobile appointment.
Yes.
Have the mobile team let them know that you purchased the key cards online.
Yes.
And they'll come out and program them for you.
All right. Do you know if there's any fee associated with those?
Oh, that's a really good question. Hang on one. I think that they just charge labor costs.
Okay.
Give me 1 second, though.
And then same thing if I bring it into the shop there or the store?
They may just do it for you.
Okay. I'm just trying to figure out.
Let me just reach out and see.
So in this instance, guys, you don't want to lose your keys. Maybe keep one at home for permanent. Because what you have to do, what she's saying, is actually take it into Tesla themselves, and they'll program it. Or they'll do a mobile, but there may be a fee for it.
Send it to a service advisor just to ask.
Okay, no problem.
So he said that he doesn't ever, this is in Colorado though. So,
of course, yeah. Could be different.
I think it's dependent on how busy they are and if they can just hurry and do it.
Yeah.
It takes like 2 seconds to program them.
Yeah, I mean, they did it when I bought the car, but it was, whatever they had it in the mode that they set it up in, that's probably what they have to do is put it in setup mode.
I would just, according to him, he says he never does.
Okay.
I don't know if that's everywhere, but...
Of course, I can always ask. And it's not a big deal if not. It's cheaper than having to buy a fob for a car, like if you have to go get $250 to that. But
no, I agree with you there.
But I definitely, now I know I will leave one at home forever.
Yeah, there you go. Is there anything else I can do for you today?
No, that's it. I appreciate the quick call, and thank you very much. I appreciate the help there.
You bet.
All right, have a good day.
Have a great day. Thanks for contacting Tesla.
Bye. All right, so you guys heard firsthand there. I'm going to order 2 more of these cards. I've got 2 here. I'm going to get it programmed in because you cannot put this card. If you lose both of these cards that you have here, did I already lose one? No, the other one's in here. So if you lose both of these cards, you're ultimately going to be, screwed. You're not going to be able to do it. So keep one of these cards at home that is locked in program into your car. So I'm going to have 3 of them, one for myself, one for my wife, and then one to stay at home that never gets disconnected or never gets taken out of the house. It's just like an emergency key because that's an inconvenience. I don't want to have to drive all the way over to Orlando to get this programmed, but that's what you're going to have to do, either schedule mobile or you're going to have to go in directly. So if that's your case like I've got right here, then yeah, we're going to have some trouble with it. So what we're going to have to do is next time we head over to Orlando, take these key cards with us. But as of right now, the phone is working. It's working pretty good. So I'm just going to add pretty much another one of my phones to the app here and make sure that I have everything where I can unlock the car essentially. Ultimately where if I get locked out or if my wife needs to press start driving or start, that will help out. So we'll be able to do it. So that's how you're going to do it. If you have your key card lost, both of them, you're going to have to go to a Tesla store and get that thing taken care of because it is not going to work here. I tried myself to be able to tap and do it. It just doesn't work. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, like, and subscribing. As you guys know, I'll see you again soon.